Hello, my name is Rebecca Inman. This is my semester project for Plant Pathology 315. My project's topic is the mummy-berry disease. The mummy-berry disease is important because epidemic outbreaks cause massive crop losses, especially among organic blueberry farms. The fungal pathogen for this disease only infects blueberry plants. The symptoms are stem, leaf, and flower blight and dry rot of the fruit. The blighted stems and leaves are the result of the initial inoculum, ascospores, and give rise to the secondary inoculum, conidia. The shoots usually become blighted and produce conidia at around the same time as the bloom, and actually mimic the flower's UV output and scent to attract pollinators, which pick up the conidia and carry them to a new host flower. For my project, I chose to focus on the symptoms and signs of the disease in the fruit. I made a model of various stages of the disease progression. The first berry here is a healthy mature blueberry, which I made for comparison against the disease models. The second blueberry here is a mature infected berry. Note the shriveled appearance and pink hue. An infected berry could also turn tan. At this stage of infection, the berry would fall off the plant and onto the ground. So that's the pink one there. See, it's kind of shriveled. The third berry here is a cross-section of an immature infected blueberry. At this stage of infection, no disease would be noticeable on the outside of the fruit, but the cross-section shows mycelia growing throughout the fruit. As the mycelia grow, the fruit tissue is replaced with fungal tissue. Here's the cross-section with the mycelia. And then the final blueberry is what's called a mummy. It's the overwintering structure for the pathogen. And they really do look like little black pumpkins. Once spring rolls around, these pseudosclerotia germinate and give rise to the apothecia, which are fruiting bodies that look like little goblets. The apothecia produce asci, which in turn produce the ascospores, which are the initial inoculum. And here is the mummy with the apothecia there. So there will be several apothecia growing from a single mummy. I made this project by gluing small pieces of tissue paper onto styrofoam balls I shaped into the needed forms, meaning it's almost like a paper mache. I shaped the styrofoam balls with a serrated knife and sandpaper and used regular tissue paper and school glue on the outside of the models. Here it is one more time, and thank you so much for watching.